All right, so here's the truggy. Let's see what happened. Oh man, dude, that pipe is all bent. Oh, that thing's bent. Dang. Yeah, the header's all screwed up. I'm gonna have to straighten that out. We lost some of the spring retainers. That's all right. I have plenty of those. The pipe, thankfully, is all good. This pipe survived. Hanging on for dear life, but it survived. But here's the engine. I rigged up this cool little pull starter. Works pretty good. This truggy's been sitting since July, and if you want to go ahead and watch that last video, I'll leave the link up here, right there for you guys. It's real rainy. This air filter's now pretty much soaked, but that's all right. No big deal. We were beating the heck out of this thing anyway. I didn't expect to actually do that. And there goes the body. Yeah, I can't tell it's windy. But yeah, the truggy's running great. The suspension survived. That thing was sent off that thing. Let's see, any other bends? Everything looks pretty good. I don't think the chassis is bent. Chuck towers are all good, both of them. Fuel tank, we got a little bit of fuel left, but unfortunately we can't really run it like this. So that'll pretty much be all for today's video. Yeah, and I'm a terrible skateboarder, everyone. I'm terrible, that's why I do RCs. Absolutely terrible. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a great time at the skate park. First time ever I actually brought this thing out, so that's fun. And yeah, first bash with the truggy on a skate park. Or actually, or yeah, or RC, yeah. I guess so, yeah. Yeah, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. The rain's starting to come down. I don't want to get soaked. I'm sorry, guys, I'm a wimp. But thank you so much for watching, everyone. I had a blast today. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the header out and try to fix this header if I can. I got some LRP headers, which are pretty much the exact same dimensions of this, so that should fit pretty good. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, y'all, and I'll see you later.